Hey, how y'all doing? I'm back. Don't make a big deal out of it. Actually, do make a big deal about it. Hype me up down in those comments, because I'm nervous. No, I'm not dead. Yes, I did have a mental breakdown and basically burned down my entire career. No, I'm not reselling anymore. Yes, I am happy, healthy, and mostly mentally stable. Welcome back. So here's the tea. In hindsight, I probably should have started this channel back 6 months ago when I had a lot of content to film, but I was busy uprooting my life and getting married. Yes, I'm married. Who would have thought? Not me. Several failed engagements, but we did it. We found the one. Here we are, thriving in a new-ish city. And by newish, I mean I've lived here before, but that was 12 years ago. It's different, and I'm different, and I'm so happy to be here. So I know what you're thinking. Christina, if you're not reselling anymore, what is this channel gonna be? And I'm glad you asked. I don't know. I do know, and I don't know. I want it to be like interior design, fashion, art. I've been really working on honing my skills as an artist. I do a lot of work with collage. So there will be some videos where I'm just chit-chatting and making art. There will be some videos where I am decorating this new apartment. And maybe I help other people decorate their apartments. That could be fun. There's also gonna be some fashion and styling videos. Just because I'm not reselling doesn't mean I can't make that type of content anymore. Like, obviously it's not going to be specifically for reselling, but I can still do thrift vlogs. I still thrift all the time. Your girl has not changed. We can do thrift vlogs, we can do styling videos, we can do, I desperately need to do a closet clean out. So if you guys want to watch that, let me know. I also used to do videos where I would deep dive into the history of fashion brands. So we can still do that if you guys are interested in that. Just let me know. What do you want to see from this channel? I'm back and I'm here to stay. I'm happy, healthy. I feel like I've gotten my mental health in a really good place. I feel like I learned a lot from my last time being on YouTube. There are some things that I will be doing differently going forward. I want to keep a lot more like to myself, but I also I love that about me, and I think that that's what you guys initially loved about this channel, is that I'm open and honest, and I'm just an open book, and I let you guys in on my life and how I'm feeling. I don't know that I'll be crying on the internet anymore. That was an era, and it's not an era that I plan to go back to. I do a lot of happy crying these days, and crying about beautiful things in life, the small things, puppies in movies. I do that kind of crying now. So I don't think I'll be doing that on the internet. Also, Cody's around, and you know, he may pop in here or there on this channel, if we're out thrifting together, that sort of thing, or if he's here while I'm doing a home project. He's not going to be a staple on the channel like past people. Learned my lesson on that one. So yeah, that's what this channel's gonna be. I am so happy to get started again. I never thought I would be in a place where I could mentally handle being on social media again. I really just fell off the face of the earth there for a little while. I wasn't even posting on Instagram. Still not really posting on Instagram, but I'm dipping a toe. I have a TikTok page now where I do art, and I do want to put short form content on there. This is the handle if you want to go follow that. Yeah, I'm really excited for this new chapter and this new journey. And for those of you that are here, thank you so much for being here. And I don't know, even though I haven't posted in years, you guys still comment on the videos and you're like, where are you? Are you dead? When are you coming back? And that really means so much to me. Literally just said I wasn't gonna cry on the internet. And I hope this continues to just grow and flourish, and we can just have a good old time together. How's that sound? Good? Good. So here is what's to come, because I do have kind of a plan. I need to give my kitchen a makeover. So we're gonna do that. I also need to work on my bedroom. Pretty much every room in the house needs a makeover except the living room. There's like a small corner of the living room that needs to be done, but for the most part, the living room is done. I'm like kicking myself for not filming the process of doing the living room because it's actually like my favorite room I've ever done. It's so gorgeous in here. Like, I cannot believe how it turned out. The vibes, immaculate. But at the same time, I don't know that it would have turned out the way it did had I filmed it. Like, I just wasn't ready to be on camera again. And now I feel like I am. I've been filming some videos around the house. I just did a project in the bedroom that you guys will see within the next couple weeks. I'm really excited about that. So yeah, look out for those makeover videos. They are coming to you soon. And if you have any suggestions for content that you would like to see from me, please leave those down in the comments below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week.